Hello kids, welcome to another interesting video. In the previous video, we have learned about noun, the English grammar, right? We have learned about noun and we have also done the exercise on noun, right? In this video, we will be studying about pronoun. Okay children, this is also an English grammar. So here we will be studying about pronoun. So let's dive into the video. This is pronoun. So we will be studying about pronoun. What is pronoun, kids? Do you know that? What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay children? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. In the previous video, we have learned about noun, the uses of noun, right? In this video, we will study pronoun. So here, pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun, right? So how to use that? Let's look here. Some common pronouns. Some common pronouns are he, she, it. He, she, it are some commonly used pronouns. He is used to indicate a boy or a man. Okay? When we see a boy or a man, we will use he. Boy and man is a noun, right? But as pronoun is used instead of a noun, so here he is a pronoun. And he is used always to indicate a boy or a man. So look at this example. He is my father. Okay? Now here father is a man, right? So we use he. As the father is a man or a boy, so we will use the term he. Okay? Now the next is she. She is used to indicate a girl or a woman. Yes, here she is used to indicate a girl or a woman. For example, this is my mother. She cooks really nice food. Now mother is a woman, so we use she. This is my mother and she cooks really nice food. So here she indicates woman. Mother is a woman, so we use she. Okay children, I hope you have understood. Now the next one is it. It is used to indicate an animal or a thing. Okay? As he is used to indicate man or boy and she is used to indicate woman and girl and it is used to indicate animal or a thing. Let's look at an example. This is my bag. It is blue in color. So here bag is a thing, so it is used it. Okay? Bag is a thing, so we use it here. It is blue in color. So now let's repeat it again. Boy, man, we use he. When there is a boy and a man, we will use the pronoun he. When there is a girl and a woman, we will use the pronoun she. Okay? And when there is a place, animal or thing, we will use the pronoun it. Okay children? I hope you have understood the uses of pronoun. We will use the pronoun he, she and it. These are the commonly used pronoun. Okay? So I hope you have understood the uses of pronoun. So do practice it regularly. What is noun and what is pronoun and what are the uses of noun and pronoun? Okay? I hope you have understood it. So see you into our next class. Take care. Bye-bye.